Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As always, glad to have you here. I'm glad to be here. For the ones who are returning, thanks for coming back for the love and support. For those of you who are new, welcome. Since you're already here, click that subscribe button and the little bell for notification, and leave a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you didn't like. I accept constructive criticism as well. I signed up for the Allure beauty box. I was kind of interested in joining a subscription beauty box. There's several that are out there, and this one kind of appealed to me when I first saw it, so I decided to order it. I believe I ordered it the middle of May for the May box. It didn't show up until about the first week of June, and when it did, it didn't have products that I really liked. I think it was like one or two things that I was actually feeling, but beyond that, a lot of the samples that they gave were things that I get from Sephora when I, break the bank in there. Jesus, I hadn't done a Sephora haul in a long time. I'm overdue. Here we are. We have the June box. It showed up last week. I got an email on the 6th telling me that it has finally shipped. And it did get here in a decent amount of time, but I had a lot of things going on, so I couldn't just, stop and review it. And I'm hoping that the things in the June box are a little bit more to my liking. So without further ado, let's get started. By the way, the makeup that I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing Beach Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition, and the lipstick is Morphe's matte lipstick in the color of Vinyl. The eyelashes are Blinksy lashes. I ordered these from the UK. Emma Fleming is a fan of them, so I absolutely adore them. I do still like my rosebud lashes, and there's room for me to juggle and balance different products, and I'm really feeling these pretty much like I feel the rosebud lashes, so we're all good to go there. This is how the box showed up, and that's not Allure's fault. That's a postal issue. Because the box didn't exactly fit, they just kind of jammed it in there instead of putting it in the key locker. Well, that's just great. So they get paid pennies on the dollar, and I have to suffer for it. Okay, so let's get this open. This is cheap and tacky, and this is something I, honest to God, don't want to see. I have no use for anything like this. I have makeup bags, and this is just okay, whatever. There's something in the box that wasn't in the packet. Okay, this is SGX NYC, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Okay, volume. It promises volume plus refresh plus hold. It's a dry shampoo meets hairspray. Call me crazy, but I don't think I can use this. So next up we have a Moroccan oil treatment. This is a sample size. These full sizes don't look very full size. Okay, that has a really nice smell to it, so I can kind of live with that. So next up is Avene. I'm not pronouncing this right, and I know it. Thermal spring water. Okay. The description describes this as soothing and softening. Soothing care for sensitive, hypersensitive, allergic, and irritated skin. Again, I'm very, putting certain things on my skin, I just kind of, ugh. But let's try this and see. Ugh. It smells like Chernobyl. moving right along. Got a full-size tube of Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. I love this. I don't have very many lip glosses, so this is actually a good thing, and I think it'll work out just fine for me. Oh crap, yeah, I love this. So yeah, we're good to go with this. Next up, I have Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. This is actually something that I really like because I have those fine lines under my eyes that come with age. I can't do anything about that. It's just the way it is. And I'm always looking for something new and something different to help minimize those. So I can see myself using this. And finally, we have Tanya Cook's The Brow Gal. It's an eyebrow pencil, medium brow, number 04. Okay, I'm gonna have to do quite a bit of work to get this to show up, but we'll see. Okay, so let's recap. SGX NYC, the Avene Floss Lip Gloss, I'm really digging. I could actually use this, so I'm happy with that. The Moroccan Oil Treatment, I'll try it a few times to see how that works with my hair. If it works really good, then I'll get the full size. Contacts Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Yes, I will definitely be trying this and see how that works out. The brow pencil, I'm kind of on the fence about it. I'll play with it and see where I get with it. If not, I have other products that I use that helps me with my brows just fine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and get the July box because I told that there's a lot in that. I also did sign up for Ipsy's box, so I look to see that one coming real soon. I'm like on a waiting list. Why am I on a waiting list? I don't understand. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in with me, and we'll unbox the next product when it gets here. Until next time, until next video, this is your Cheetah Diva signing out.